What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Zamir from Access Tunes. In this video I'm going to talk about Musio again, and it's going to be the same series, which is the artist series Gina Luciani. In the previous video, actually, I didn't talk about the key switch because I didn't know how does it work. So I'm going to just load this articulation key switch. And these are the highlighted one, which means we have already covered this in the previous video. So whatever that touch here is going to play that articulation. However, the one in the bottom here is actually also available in this particular patch. All I need to do is just drag this one to this key switch. And now when I go to this one, C1, it's going to play that articulation. This is very useful, to be honest, because I don't have to load every other key switches that I don't need to use for that particular track. I also like to point out the effects here. In the previous video, I thought that reverb was on bypass when it's like this. And then I click on it and I told you guys that I have enabled the reverb. However, what happened was this is enabled and this is disabled, right? I have to remember that. Okay, so now let's go ahead and check out all these articulations. This is a grace note half step down. It's kind of cool actually. So let's add the other one here. Grace note half step. So it's step up. The other one is step down. Let's go to grace note whole step down. Let's put it in D. This is a whole step down, and it's kind of cool actually. So let's try the grace note whole step up. Okay, let's try the half step down. Oh wait. Let's try that half step up. I'm gonna put this in F1. Whole step down. It's cool. Let's try the runs now. Okay, so for the runs, right, you can see we have major and minor, and we have the long run. Oh my god. There's a lot of variation of the runs, which I like. Let's try the minor. Oh. Let's try the short run. So this articulation for high range and low range as well. I kind of like that. So maybe if I were to play, okay, the last one, short run minor. So that, my friend, is how you use articulation switches, right? I really like this because then I can actually load the kind of articulation that I want. So for instance, legato, I can keep it in the first note. So let me just put it in the C1. And maybe I don't want to use staccatissimo, right? Maybe I don't want sustain, but I want sustain flutter. So I can add it to the second note, which is a C sharp 1. And then maybe I want a staccato. Can just put it here, staccato, then a staccatissimo, right? This is really cool. So all the other articulation that I don't need to actually add it here. This is a very useful thing, and I'll be using it on a frequent basis now. Right, so one more thing, I'm gonna just go ahead and add, show you guys the Concert Flutes key FX key switch. So let me just load that one. So we have a couple of key switch for FX here, so let's check them out. This is more like a short. Yeah, let's try the wind. Oh, this is nice. I can do a lot of things with this. Okay, if I add some effects here, let me increase the wet. It's kind of eerie effect, which I'm positive that I will be using this on a frequent basis. Okay, the next one, let's try the wind while run. Whoa. Whoa. That is amazing. Okay, let's try the harmonic. Wow. Okay, let's try the long one. Oh, I love it. Let's try the whistle. Wow, that is great. This is definitely useful. Let's try the harmonic flutter. Wow. That's crazy. Let's try the flutter. That's crazy, man. I love it. Whoa. So this kind of sound is very useful for film scoring. I can see myself use this more often. Wow. Okay, let's try this one. That's cool too. Okay, the last two, let's try. Wow. That sounds dangerous. Let's try the last one. Short. Crazy, man, crazy. Okay, so that's all for the concert flute FX key switch. I believe that they sound really good. Sounds so musical and definitely inspire me to write better music with these key switches. So I'm glad that I have this Musio concert flute because I'm having so much fun right now just learning these articulation. Like I mentioned in my previous videos, I see all my VST instrument as my own players. So I need to know what my players does, which is why I'm actually checking out all these articulation right now. So the next time I'm working on a music, I know exactly which sound I should use, right? So that's all for today, guys. So this is the artist series Gina Luciani from the previous video, just a part 2 of it. Cinema Flutes and the FX key switches. I hope you guys find some value in this video. If you guys did, please make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, smash the like button, and share this video to everybody. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.